Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. In this video we are going to discuss surface area of sphere. So let's start with question number 1. So here first given question is the diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of earth. So comparison of diameter between moon and earth is given. So consider this is moon and suppose this is earth, somewhat larger than moon. Let diameter of this moon is d1 and diameter of this earth is d2. So here we are given that diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of earth. So now we can say that d1 is 1/4 of d2. Diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of earth. Find the ratio of their surface area. What you have to find? We have to find the ratio of surface area of moon to surface area of earth. This ratio we have to find. Done. Both moon and earth are in the shape of sphere and the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. We require value of radius of this moon and this earth. Diameter are given, so we can say that diameter is twice of radius. It's a 2r1 is equal to 1/4 of 2r2 and hence radius of moon is also approximately 1/4 of radius of earth. 2 cut. That means if diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of diameter of earth, then we can also say that radius of moon is also approximately 1/4 of radius of earth. Done. Radius of moon is also approximately 1/4 of radius of this earth, this one. So now surface area, ratio of surface areas. Here we can write r1 equal to 1/4 r2 and hence r2 is 4r1. है ना, फ्रैक्शन में हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता है तो ऐसे लिख दो. So surface area of moon it's a 4 pi r1 square upon surface area of earth 4 pi r2 square. 4 cut pi कर r1 square upon r2 square. r1 square upon r2 square which is nothing but the r1 upon r2 square. Replace r2 with 4r1. r2 with 4r1 whole square and this is equal to r1 square upon 16 r1 square. r1 square cut, so it's a 1 upon 16. So ratio of surface area of moon to the surface area of earth is 1 upon 16. So you have to write the answer. It's a 1:16. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 says find the surface area of sphere of radius 7 cm. So for this sum we are given one sphere whose radius is 7 cm. Question is find the surface area. In case of sphere we are not describing the area as a curved surface area or total surface area because only one surface is there and that's why we are just saying surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere. Surface area of the sphere formula to find the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Done. So here 4 into value of pi which is 22/7 into r square radius, that is equal to 7 into 7. Now simplification. Here 7 can be cut. 22 4s are 88 into 7. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56 plus 5 it's a 61. 616 centimeter square is the surface area of sphere. Done. Now students, next question, question number 2. So here for the second question, we have to find the curved surface area and total surface area of hemisphere. For the second question, we are given hemisphere. Hemisphere, we have to find the total surface area and curved surface area. For the hemisphere, dimensions are hemisphere of radius 21 centimeter. For this hemisphere, we are given radius is 21 centimeter. So what is hemisphere? Two surfaces are there, curved surface area bottom, curved surface area plus bottom is nothing but the total surface area. So first we will find this curved surface area and then we will find total surface area. So formula to find the curved surface area. Curved surface area of hemisphere is nothing but the half of the area of this sphere, that is equal to 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r square, radius of hemisphere, base of radius of base, which is 21. So 21 into 21. So this is equal to 7 3 is 21. Multiplication 22 2 is 44. 21 3 is 63, and this is equal to 2772 centimeter square is the curved surface area. This one is curved surface area. And what is total surface area? Total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface area of hemisphere is nothing but the curved surface area plus base. Base is nothing but the circle with radius r. So it's a pi r square. 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which is equal to 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. 3 into 22 by 7 into r square. 21 into 21. Done. So this one is 7 3s are 21 and 22 3s are 66 multiply by 63, है ना. इसका हाफ करके इसके अंदर ही ऐड कर दो तो हमारा आंसर इट्स 63 इंटू 66. 6 3s are 18, 6 6s are 36 plus 1 37. 3 7 8 8 5 1 7 plus 1 8 plus 3 11 and 4 4 1 5 8 centimeter square is the total surface area of this hemisphere. Done. Simply you have to remember the formula and put the values according to question. You will get the answer. Now students, next question, question number 3. So here we are given that hemispherical dome is to be painted from the inside. Hemispherical dome is there. For example, the dome is in the shape of hemisphere. This is the dome. This dome is in the shape of hemisphere. This hemispherical dome is to be painted from the inside. Inner curved surface area of this dome is to be painted. So for this dome, the circumference of dome is 176 meter. Circumference of base is given. Circumference of base is 176 meter. 176 meter. Find the area to be painted. That means curved surface area of this dome that we have to find. Our dome is in the form of hemisphere. Done. So to find the curved surface area of any hemisphere, we require the value of radius, and instead of giving the value of radius of the circular base, we are given circumference of base. So by using circumference, first we have to find the value of radius, and after finding the value of radius, we will find the curved surface area of this dome, that is area of dome to be painted. Simple sum. So now let's start with this circumference. Circumference of base, and that base is nothing but the circle with radius r, whose circumference is 2 pi r. Therefore this one is 176 equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Therefore this one is 176 into 7 upon 2 into 22 equal to r. Simplification, 11 2s are 11, 1s are 11, 11 6s are 66, 2 2s are 4, 4s are 16. So r equal to 28 meter. The radius of base of this dome is 28 meter. So now we can find the curved surface area of this dome. So inner curved surface, we can say area of dome to be painted. Area of dome to be painted is nothing but the curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere, and that is equal to 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Put the values, 2 into 22 by 7 and r 28 into 28. Simplification, 7 4s are 28, so it's 22 2s are 44 multiplied by 28 4s are 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11, 112. So it is 112 into 44. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 4 8, 8 2 1, 4 plus 4 8 9 and 4, 4 9 2 8. The total area to be painted is 4928 meter square. This much amount of area of dome is required to be painted. Clear students? Now pause this video and okay students, next question, that is question number 4. The hemispherical bowl is made up of steel which is 0.25 centimeter thick. Hemispherical bowl is given and thickness of this bowl is given. This bowl is made up of steel and the thickness of this bowl is 0.25 centimeter. This is the thickness of bowl. The inner radius of this bowl is 5 centimeter. The inner radius of this bowl is 5 centimeter, and here thickness of bowl is 0.25 centimeter. So for this bowl, question is find the outer curved surface area. Find the outer curved surface area. Outer curved surface area. So to find this outer curved surface area, we require outer radius. So what is the value of outer radius? So here we can say that the value of outer radius, is nothing but the inner radius plus thickness of this bowl. Outer radius is nothing but the inner radius plus thickness of bowl. Clear? Thickness of bowl is given, so outer radius will be inner radius plus thickness. So inner radius is 5 centimeter and thickness is 0.25 centimeter. So here we can get value of outer radius, which is equal to 5.25 centimeter. So now outer surface is in the shape of hemisphere, so we can find the area of outer surface, so outer curved surface area, outer curved surface area of given bowl which is made up of steel is 2 pi r square. This is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 5.25 square. Simplify this and you will get the answer as 173.25 centimeter square. Clear students? Now pause the video and note it down. Okay students, now question number 5. Question number 5 is find the radius of sphere. Find the radius of sphere. Here sphere is given. For this sphere you have to find the value of radius. Find the radius of sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. Here surface area is given which is equal to 154 centimeter square. Simple sum. So surface area, formula, surface area of sphere, that is equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area of sphere is given 154, 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. Therefore this one is 154 into 7 divided by 4 into 22 equal to r square. Simplification, 11 2 जा 11, 1 जा 11, 11 4 जा and 2 2 जा 2 7 जा. So it's a 7 square upon 2 square equal to r square, and therefore taking r square root, it's a 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is nothing but the 3.5 centimeter. So radius of base of this sphere is 3.5 centimeter. Clear students? Again pause the video and note it down.